But before we start today's video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell notification icon, and like, share, and comment to this video.
Today I'll be reviewing these custom neon signs from a company called Lamomo. Let's dive right in. I had 3 custom signs made, and they all came together packaged nicely in this box. Designing the signs was easy, and shipping was lightning fast. Here's a quick unboxing for you guys. I'll show you exactly what you'll get when you order some of these custom lights. These lights can be controlled wirelessly with the remote control. Here's a few of them with the receivers inside as well. These lights also came with a few different power adapters. Designing a custom neon sign on their website is extremely easy. Simply add your text, choose your font, then pick your lighting color. You can pick from a few different sizes, all varying in price, and the acrylic backing can also be customized as well. Here's the first look at the lights, and I'm pretty excited to check them out. First impressions are real important, and right off the bat these lights look amazing. They're much larger than I thought they were going to be, and the acrylic backing looks great. Here's my second light. I got this one in a yellow color, and you can already see that nice yellow shining through. And here's the big guy. This one's multicolored. We got some yellow, some pink, some blue, and some white in this one. Now that I've got the plastic off, I was completely blown away by how nice these things look. The acrylic backing is nice and thick, but the lights are actually lightweight and should be pretty easy to install. Let's not waste any more time. Let's get these things plugged in, see how they look. The power cable coming off these lights is really long, making it easy for you to reach any power source. I'm plugging these lights directly into the small power adapter. And boom, we've got light. Let's see what the other signs look like. I can't get over how much these signs look like real neon signs. And they're extremely bright too. The energy cost is only a fraction of what you'd expect with a traditional neon. This is what the signs look like in the daytime in a fully lit room. Even with all my windows open, the lighting from these signs takes over the entire room. Each sign will have a few mounting holes, depending on how big it is. And there's 3 different ways to hang these signs. They've got special mounting brackets to put them directly on the wall. They also come with wire to hang them from the ceiling or from the wall. And they even come with window clips if you'd like to place them on some glass. I'm doing a wall installation first, so I'm just marking my 2 holes. Next I'm drilling out the 2 holes to make space for the drywall anchors. Everything you'll need for the wall-mounted installation is in this bag. Insert your drywall anchors into the pre-drilled hole, and you might have to tap these in with a hammer or a screwdriver. Next you'll separate the mounting hardware by unscrewing this top part right here. Once you've done that, insert a screw into the bottom portion and screw it into the wall. The connection should be nice and snug, but you don't want to over tighten this thing. There should be 2 clear washers on this part of the mounting hardware. Take a washer off, put this piece through the sign, put the washer on the back side, and screw in the mounting hardware. Then just repeat the process with the second hole. In my opinion, this is the best way to hang these signs. The mounting hardware looks great, and the only wire coming out of your sign is the power wire. Next, I'll show you the hanging installation. The anchors and the hardware are a little different for this one, but it works relatively the same. Once your anchor is in the wall, you'll take this piece and separate it. Insert a screw, like before, into the base and screw it into the wall. Remember, you want this nice and snug, but not too tight. Now we can thread the hanging wire through this top piece. If you press this little piece down, you can easily adjust the amount of wire coming through. Now thread your wire through the 2 holes in the mounting base and screw the top in. Once everything is secured, give your wire a little tug and make sure nothing's loose. Now we can unravel the wire and attach it to our sign. We're first going to run the wire through the top hole in this metal piece here. Once we've done that, we can loop the wire through the hole in the sign and bring the metal wire back around and insert it into the second hole on the metal piece. This actually locks the wire in place but makes it easy to adjust. One cool feature about these signs is that they're completely waterproof and they're IP67 rated, making them great for outdoor use. You can put your business logo on here, create an open or close sign, and so many other options. I'm actually building a video game studio behind me, so I can stream all of my video content, and these signs are perfect for that. Now that I've got all my lights in place, I'm connecting them to power so I can try out the remote control. Each remote package will come with instructions, a controller, and the small white controller receiver. The receiver connects easily and goes in line with your power cable. I can connect 3 different receivers and control the lights individually with their own remotes, or I can control all 3 lights at once with a single remote. I'll quickly go over the remote features so you can see what these lights are capable of. As you can see here, I can control all 3 lights simultaneously with a single remote. This button turns the brightness to 50%, and this one does 25%. There are also a ton of different modes for these lights. My favorite setting right here will simulate the flashing from an old school neon light. You can also control the speed of the effect with these 2 buttons. The same can be done for the brightness of these lights. These signs have so many great uses. They can be used for businesses, food trucks, festivals, or pretty much any outdoor space. They're also great for decorating kids' bedrooms, and they never get hot, making them a great option for kids of any age. The life expectancy on these LEDs is over 50,000 hours, and Lamomo guarantees its product with a 2-year warranty. If you got a special occasion coming up, like a baby shower, wedding, birthday, or more, customize a sign for that loved one and send them the perfect gift. You can find more information about these signs on the Lamomo website. Just visit lamomoneon.com. You can also find Lamomo on social media platforms like YouTube and TikTok. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. These signs can easily be mounted to any glass surface. They came with these special adhesive mounts. Simply remove the backing and they stick right on any window. These are great for businesses who want to display their sign, both inside and outside simultaneously. I couldn't be any happier with my neon signs, and they're really gonna level up my studio.